All right, so now that we're finished with the main training session, I'm gonna take Sarah through the last part, which is just a nice 10-15 minute cool down. So the first thing I had her do was hop on a treadmill, something light, low intensity to bring that heart rate back down and kind of let her get settled. All right, so again, just like the warm up, normally I would have her do a couple different repetitions and sets of each stretch or exercise that we're gonna do, but for right now, she's just going to demonstrate. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna have her do is actually a variation of that PVC bar rotation that we did in the warm up. So instead of doing a full rotation, she's just gonna come back to about here, all right, and hold it. Try to feel a good stretch across that collar area. All right, so here you go. All right, so arm straight, come back, right, a little bit up, right about there. All right, so we want to feel it going all the way across here. All right, so see if you can move your arms in just a little bit, your hands. All right, there you go, right there. Good. So right now we're just trying to stretch out those chest muscles as well as those front delts. All right, get everything opened up a little bit. All right, one more. So again, just like in the warm-up, the next thing I'm going to have her do is that preacher stretch or prayer stretch, but this time instead of doing a movement in the stretch, doing a dynamic stretch where she's coming in and out of that hold, I'm just going to have her go in, so drop down, yep, and then she's just going to hold that right there for about 20 to 30 seconds. Just let all those lat muscles relax and get a nice stretch. All right, so come on out. All right, so you come over here. The next thing I'm gonna have her do is just a little bit of a thoracic spine rotation. So you'll get down on your knees. All right, so all she's gonna be doing is we're gonna be in that bird dog position. All right, and we're gonna take one hand up, lift it towards the sky, and then we're coming and dropping it through. All right, and then we're gonna plant and we're gonna hold it right there for again 20-30 seconds. All right, let the back side really get a good stretch. Yep, so she's just gonna hold it just like that, 20-30 seconds. All right, so for this one, I would probably have her do 5, 6, 7 holds or repetitions each side for about 2 sets. All right, so go ahead and do the other side. That big reach and then come through. Yep, and then hold it right there. All right, you can come on out. All right, so like I said earlier, same thing as the warm up. I like to go from the top down. So now I'm gonna have you do a runner's lunge. So again, Sarah knows what to do, so she's just gonna get in that position. All right, so for this one, she's just doing a nice deep lunge. All right. Getting that leg out in front, and then she's just trying to drive forward, just like that. Flex, stretch those hip flexors. All right, switch sides. So for this one, again, I would have her do 2 to 3 holds on each side, 20 to 30 seconds. All right, and the very last one I'm gonna have her do is a glute stretch. So you can go ahead and lie on your back. All right, and you're just going to lift one leg straight up. All right, and then just cross it on over. Yep. All right, so same thing. She's going to hold that each side, roughly 20 to 30 seconds. All right, so we're just trying to stretch out those big gluteus muscles that we used during that power clean. All right, so you're good. You can go ahead and get up. So other than that, that is all I would have Sarah do. And the session is complete.